Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up? But I'm on my way to like the season closer for Imperial Dynasty's meet. Y'all drive like maniacs. It's cold! It's cold! I thought that was you, like I wasn't sure.
Huh?
I thought that was you, I wasn't sure.
Yeah.
Yo, these motherfuckers crazy as shit. I know. This shit. Hold on, I don't think this is the one. Nah, it's not the one at the JQ. This is here. Where the fuck is it? Give me your money! Yo, it's cold.
It's fucking cold as shit.
The homie's still in the fucking car.
What?
Dead. That's a different one. Hold on, is that his car? I don't think that's his car. Oh. Nah, that's not his car. What the fuck? What the? I'm just here for the Honda.
Yeah, now I got me a new set of
rims. I've
rims.
seen this car before. Okay.
But they're not new to you, but they're new to me.
Look at this sexiness. Your hands are done. Got gloves on, still cold. They doing crazy shit. Yeah, that's the crazy one. That's the crazy guy that was pulling in. And I was like parking. I saw him parking. I'm like, hell no, get away from me. Oh fuck! Fuck no! Fuck no! Fuck no! Wait! She left? Oh. Oh no. Oh shit! I didn't even see this car! Focus! Fucking piece of crap! I love you too, babe. I'm about to. Yo, it's too much. It's too much going on right now. I can't. Oh, you about to leave?
Yeah, I'm about to head out.
Oh, be safe, man. Alright, thank you.
Alright, bro. It was nice to meet you, man. Take it easy, dude. Y'all drive safe.
Hey, you too.
Hey. Oh, yeah.
Look! He's like a kid. He's like a kid. Ah! Back alive, it's cold!
Tires anymore, young.
He's funny as shit.
Next!
He said, oh.
I got shit in my eye, man. I wanna drive, come on!
You wanna race? Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey, y'all not ready. Burnout fucking king. You're done. I didn't even see this fucking thing. Gang, 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 gang.
Can she roar? I'm about to get home.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, down is made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.